Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Oppo A94. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube app. Tap the screencast button located at the top of the screen and select your TV. Now when both devices are connected, you can play any music you'd like via your smartphone on the TV. To disconnect devices, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.